Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### understanding np.inf in numpy. In numpy, np.inf represents positive infinity. It is a special floating point value that is used to denote values that exceed any finite number. This can be particularly useful in various numerical computations, such as in optimization problems, handling limits, or representing unbounded values in datasets. ### key points about np.inf. 1. Type: np.inf is of type float. 2. Usage: it can be used in comparisons, arithmetic operations, and as an initial value in algorithms. 3. Negative infinity: you can also use np.inf to represent negative infinity. 4. Comparison: any finite number compared to np.inf will be less than it, and any finite number compared to np.inf will be greater than it. ### creating and using np.inf. Here's a step-by-step tutorial with code examples to demonstrate how to use np.inf. Step 1, importing numpy. First, you need to import the numpy library. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do so using pip. Then, you can import it in your Python script. Step 2, creating values with np.inf. You can easily create positive or negative infinity using np.inf and np.inf. Step 3, performing operations with np.inf. You can perform various arithmetic operations using np.inf. Step 4, using np.inf in comparisons. You can use np.inf to easily check boundaries or conditions in datasets. Step 5, practical example, finding minimum in an array. You can use np.inf to initialize a variable to find the minimum value in an array. Conclusion. The use of np.inf in numpy is quite powerful and helps in various scenarios such as optimization, comparisons, and boundary conditions. Understanding how to leverage np.inf can make your numerical computations more efficient and effective.